तो आज हम लोग दी ओएसिस इसको कवर करने आए हैं। अब हम लोग ये क्लब हाउस कवर करेंगे। बहुत ही बेहतरीन क्लब हाउस है। गार्डन बे जो प्रोजेक्ट है शालीमार का, उसमें ये सिचुएटेड है। एंड इसकी बहुत ख़ास बात यह है कि ये बहुत ही खुला है। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, इट इज़ अ वेरी ओपन स्पेस एंड शादी के फंक्शंस के लिए और डेली नीड्स के लिए भी यहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग इज़ अवेलेबल। ये शॉप्स हैं जो कि बहुत जल्दी बनने वाली हैं। और अभी हम लोग क्लब हाउस के अंदर चलेंगे और देखेंगे कि और क्या क्या चीज़ यहाँ पे है। सो
Hi, my name is Saransh Pandey and I take care of the guest relations here at the Oasis. Now I'll give you a tour of the particular place.
ओके,
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सारांश जी। चलें तो अब हम लोग चलते हैं टूर पे। ये क्लब हाउस की एंट्री है और एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत एंट्री है। शालीमार के प्रोजेक्ट्स में जो इंटीरियर है और आर्किटेक्चर है उस पर काफ़ी अच्छा ध्यान दिया जाता है। अब हम लोग इस प्रोजेक्ट के वन ऑफ द यूएसपी से शुरू करेंगे, जो कि आपका जो मेन बैंक्वेट हॉल है वो है। सो वी हैव हाउ मेनी बैंक्वेट हॉल वी हैव?
We have two mini banquet hall and one main banquet hall.
ओके, एंड व्हाट इज़ द कैपेसिटी?
The capacity for the main banquet hall is of 250 seated and floating of 400.
ओके,
And apart from that, for the two mini banquet halls, the capacity is up to 50 people.
ये मिनी बैंक्वेट हॉल हम लोग एक यहाँ पे पहले देख लें, फिर हम लोग मेन बैंक्वेट हॉल की तरफ जाएंगे। ये छोटी बर्थडे पार्टीज़ के लिए आई थिंक इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन।
Yes.
आपको ऑफिस मीटिंग करनी है या कुछ छोटी
Exactly.
पार्टी वगैरह रखनी है, बच्चों की पार्टी है, उसके लिए काफ़ी अच्छा ऑप्शन है। एंड नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू
The second mini banquet hall.
सेकेंड मिनी बैंक्वेट हॉल। रेस्टरूम की भी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं। वॉशरूम, एडमिन ऑफिस।
So this is the second mini banquet hall which we have.
ओके
At the moment, some amenities have been placed here because
ओके, सो
one
लाइक
event is about to happen.
we can book this for functions in advance.
Yes, yes. you
Okay.
can.
Okay. So now we move on to the main banquet hall. ये बहुत ही शानदार बैंक्वेट हॉल है और जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे एक फंक्शन की तैयारी हो रही है। अगेन बहुत ही खूबसूरत इंटीरियर, और ये मेरे हिसाब से बाहर से एंट्री है।
जी, ये हमारी मेन एंट्री है बाहर से।
ओके,
अगर आपको वो भी देखनी है मैं दिखा सकता हूँ।
सो
आइए।
so you can have like pre-function events over here.
Yeah, pre-function area is this particular place.
ये आप अपने जैसे बारात वगैरह को रिसीव करने के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं।
जी।
ये अगेन वही कोर्टयार्ड है जिससे हम लोग एंट्री किए थे। इट इज़ जस्ट अनदर एंट्री। बहुत ही अच्छा कोर्टयार्ड है। आप काफ़ी लोगों को अकोमोडेट कर सकते हैं। स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स भी है यहाँ पे, उसको हम लोग थोड़ा बाद में देखेंगे। पहले हम लोग क्लब हाउस का मेन टूर कर लें। ये किचन एरिया भी दे रखे हैं।
जी, ये हमारा बैंक्वेट किचन एरिया है।
सो यू कैन प्रिपेयर, you can have your chefs prepare
The meals
the meals over here.
can be served over there at the banquet. So now I will take you to the first floor area where we have the indoor recreational
Okay.
and we have some pool tables and games area for
Okay,
the kids
okay.
and adults.
ऐसे यहाँ से एक बार और देख लें। काफ़ी ग्रैंड एंट्री और काफ़ी ग्रैंड हॉल है। डिसेंट फॉर स्मॉल वेडिंग्स, आपकी एनिवर्सरी फंक्शंस सब के लिए आपका काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस। This is a very cozy clubhouse, as you can see. काफ़ी अच्छी amenities हैं. So we also have a restaurant coming up.
Yes, we have a restaurant coming up. Its name will be Pikant.
Okay.
Picant in English is supposed to mean spices. Picant is a Spanish term
Okay.
used for spices. So
So when is this expected to open?
it is expected to open most probably by mid of May.
Okay.
As of now, we are working on it.
Okay.
So once the club is launched, it will be launched together.
Okay. So now I'll be moving upstairs for the
Yes.
other
Yes.
interesting areas.
So here we have the kids play area. I'll take you inside.
Okay. A very nice area. This has this is a decent space for kids. You can leave your kids under supervision over here.
Yes, so a person will be here manned at all times to take care of the children. Of course, the guardians will also be here to take care of the children. And this particular place will have like certain children books, and a TV will be placed here which will display the cartoons and informative things for the children.
Okay, okay. So and we also have a centralized air conditioning.
Yes, and I'll show you one more feature of this place, that all the things in the washrooms as well are all kid size, so kids
Okay.
won't have any trouble using the washrooms.
So kid-friendly washrooms.
Yes. If you see, the wash basin is also at low level for the kids.
Excellent, very nice. So we have all these amenities, and besides kids area, what else do we have?
We have the first floor reception area.
Okay.
And we'll move towards the indoor recreational area for the adults.
Okay. So these are all the amenities. This is the adult recreational area, we can call this.
So we have a table tennis, we have foosball, and we have air hockey as well.
Okay, okay, nice. Very
Moving
nice.
forward, we have billiards and snooker pool as well.
आप खेलते हैं?
मैं कोशिश कर लेता हूँ, मैं इतना अच्छा नहीं हूँ इसमें।
अच्छा,
मैं टेबल टेनिस खेल लेता हूँ। That is my
excellent,
specialty.
excellent.
So we also have this unique scoreboard
Okay,
for this particular snooker pool. We have this cue stick stand as well. So we have tried to do everything in a vintage way.
classical way.
Yes.
We also have this outdoor seating.
Yes. I'll just open it for you. It's not open. We can go from that
It is
side.
locked. Very beautiful outdoors. We can have this overview of this excellent outdoor space as well.
Yes, so the whole property you can see from here, from the swimming pool area to the amphitheater which we have over there, to the main lawn and the alfresco seating area down below.
This is a very beautiful place, comfortable, cozy, and especially a lot of greenery very less noise from traffic, pollution, very less pollution. As we can see, it is quite removed from the main highway, and this is within the Shalimar Garden Bay compound, so there is already two-tier security before you reach this place, and a very comfortable and European style decor. So where are we moving next?
Now we are going back downstairs towards the swimming pool area.
Okay, okay. So another main feature which we'll be covering. So what did you call this place?
This is the al fresco seating area,
Al fresco
which
seating
is a
area.
part of the restaurant as well.
Okay, okay.
So if people want to sit outside and enjoy their meals during the sunset or during winters,
Okay.
they can be seated here and enjoy. Of course, the concept here will be offered like a candlelight dinner.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
A, a meal beneath the stars.
Yes, exactly.
So this is a very beautiful swimming pool area which I can see. Quite open, quite spacious. Nice decking. You have crystal clear waters. So these are separate pool areas.
Yes, so these two pools on the side are for the kids. They are just 2 feet,
Okay,
and apart from that, the main pool is of 5.5 feet.
okay.
Just
So
basically for enjoying and not for like main swimming purpose. It's just for
it is
enjoying and
to-
chilling
just
in
to
the
relax.
Yes, exactly.
Beautiful pool area. Crystal clear waters, and we have a cabana bath over there and a swing to lounge in. A very natural environment, relaxing for the kids or for the entire family if you wish to bring out the family and enjoy with your family. This is a very good area. This is the main clubhouse in a glimpse, the Oasis. And it actually looks like an oasis.
Exactly. The name clearly and literally projects the particular
Theme,
essence of this
yeah,
place.
essence of the place. So next we are moving on to the gym area.
Yes, we are moving on to the gym area.
Excellent. All open spaces, especially in the times of corona, we are taking extra precaution
Yes.
so that we can fight this epidemic. These, as you can see, very beautiful open spaces. We have this nice beautiful yoga area as well as the gym.
So this is the gym area which we have, and we have all the modern equipments necessary for the basic exercise in gymnastics. So we have two treadmills, we have cycles as well, we have bench press, we have the CrossFit, we have the Smith machine, the weights, everything is there for a unique experience. If someone is coming here for enjoying their day, this particular place is fit with all the modern equipments and accessories.
Okay, nice. And this is also centrally air conditioned, so if you are sweating it out,
Yes,
it should be a quality sweat.
exactly.
Very high-end equipments, as you can see, and we have this beautiful scenery as well, which you can enjoy while doing your workouts. And this
Now we move
yoga
on
area
towards
as well.
the yoga area.
Yeah. As you can see, there is plenty of resources for safety as well, which are available, and a yoga deck for your special yoga sessions. We have multiple of these in this project. I have seen other places as well,
Yes,
like the central garden which you have.
exactly.
There also we have a yoga area. So an excellent workout for the mornings.
Yes. Like a person, if they are doing gym, once the swimming pool is open, they can also, use the gym after doing their workout. So it's
Yeah.
really relaxing to give that feel of,
We can have
luxury.
a like 3-part exercise where we
Exactly.
can like start with yoga, go for a swim, and hit the gym, or like start with yoga, hit the gym, and go for a swim for a
Exactly.
relaxing experience.
In whatever order suits the best for the
Yeah.
person.
So now we'll be covering some more areas, outdoor areas. We have the sports complex which is left.
Yes. We started from this main porch area. We took a tour for the whole entire ground floor and then we moved to the first floor. Now we are going to take a look at the sports complex.
So this is the function area again, the main banquet hall. Very beautiful entry. We also have a parking space. How many cars we can accommodate at this place?
Approximately 100 cars can be accommodated at this place. The rest can be parked in the different car space area as well.
This is a big project actually.
Yes.
So we can have multiple parking spaces. So now we are going to cover the sports complex. So this is the sports complex. What all do we have?
So in the sports complex we have like lawn tennis, we have basketball and we have 2 badminton courts as well.
Okay.
1 badminton court is for the kids and 1 is for the adults.
So we should move in and
Definitely.
have a look. So this is the main basketball court.
Yes.
Beautiful.
It's a turf court, so the flooring is also different from the normal basic one. Same goes with the lawn tennis court as well.
I would love to play lawn tennis here someday.
Definitely. You can bring your family in as well, they will also enjoy.
So this is like night and day.
Night and day, yes, both.
Excellent,
Both.
excellent.
Please, we'll move to the badminton area.
So we have 2 badminton courts.
Yes, we have 2 badminton courts. Like I said, 1 is for the adults and 1 is for the children.
Excellent.
So this one is for the adults.
Okay.
That one is for the children. There's
Okay.
a difference in size.
Okay,
in both of
okay,
them.
okay.
So that is how it is.
So next, I think we should move on to the large outdoor area which we can see.
Yes, definitely.
We have the additional entry for kitchen from this
Yes.
side as well. So your caterer doesn't have to move through the banquet hall for all the
Exactly.
things.
So, like we had the main banquet hall you guys saw, we had an attachment to that place, and this is the particular attachment, which is the lawn.
Okay.
So this lawn, like approximately 100 people can be accommodated here for any events, whether it's a birthday party or whether it's a reception or
We-
an engagement ceremony.
We can have separate areas for
Particular
feasting as well.
Exactly.
We can have an outdoor feasting with a complete sitting area on the inside.
in the inside, or the same vice versa.
Vice
on the
versa.
outside.
So basically, you can have a all-weather support over here.
Exactly.
We can we put up tents over this place?
Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
Okay.
So we can put up tents as well. We have a different and a separate space for mandaps as well.
Okay.
So I'll show
okay.
you that space, which is this.
Okay.
So if somebody wants a different area altogether for mandap,
Okay.
this area
We have
and
this.
that area is perfect
Okay.
for it.
Excellent. Excellent.
And then this is the main lawn area,
This is the amphitheater.
amphitheater and the lawn
The
area.
showpiece of this entire property. A very wide, very vast area. I think you can easily accommodate at least 1,000 people over here.
Yes, we can accommodate 1,000 people here.
And we have the entrance, separate entrance for this as
Separate
well.
entrance is from that side.
Okay.
Basically, valet parking will also be offered
Okay.
if there will be any events in this place. Basically, the events which will take place in this area will be for the people of Shalimar and for the residents and for the members of the club,
Okay.
which
Okay.
we will put up an event for.
Okay.
So that is what the basic idea is for this particular place.
So this is in a nutshell the entire experience of the Oasis.
Exactly.
And thank you very much
No
for giving us this lovely tour. If you are new to this channel, please do like this video and subscribe to our channel. The channel name is Property Dealer Info, and do visit us on our Facebook page and Instagram, so that you can get regular updates on what all events we are, what all properties we are going to cover. So all in all, this is a very beautiful place, and I would love to see this in full swing. Once the pandemic is over, we can definitely bring our families and enjoy.
Definitely you can.
And definitely when the restaurants open up, we can have a very nice meal over here. So this is enjoying the good life at Garden Bay, at Shalimar Garden Bay at the Oasis. Thank you viewers for being with us. Thank you for watching this video. Please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you and signing out.